Yes, hi friends. In previous sessions, we are already discussing about aerial tree construction, right? So here, uh, what is aerial tree? So aerial tree is a self-balanced binary search tree. It satisfies the binary search tree property as well as balancing factor property. So balancing factor of each and every node is 0, 1 or -1. Then only we can say that tree is a aerial tree, right? So here in this session, we are mainly concentration on aerial tree deletion operation. What is the main purpose of deletion operation? By using deletion operation, we can remove a node or an element from the tree, right? So after deletion of a node from the tree, again we are check the properties of aerial tree. So once that tree satisfies the properties of aerial tree, then the tree is said to be aerial tree. Otherwise, we can apply rotations. Then we can adjust the balance factor for a critical node, right? So critical node is nothing but violating balancing factor of a node. So that node is said to be critical node of a tree, right? So then we are applying rotations, right? So here I am taking this example. So this tree is already generated in previous session, the construction of aerial tree, right? So in that session I am generating this aerial tree. So in this aerial tree I want to delete 8, 9, 12, 15 nodes, right? So this deletion operation is also similar to binary search tree deletion operation. So what are the possible cases? A node which contains 0 children, a node which contains 1 children, a node which contains 2 children. So in a node which contains 0 children, no changes will occur. So that's why we can directly delete the leaf nodes. Leaf nodes are a node which contains 0 children, right? So a node which contains 1 children. So in such cases, children node becomes the parent node, right? So child will replace the position of the parent, right? What is the third case? A node which contains 2 children. So in such case, there are two possible generations, two possible cases. One is maximum of left child will replace the position of the parent, or minimum right child will replace the position of the parent. So these are the three possible cases for binary search tree operation. Those three cases are also applicable for aerial tree deletion also, right? So first of all, we are deleting 9. In addition to that, we are also check the balancing factor for each and every node. Then only we can say that tree is aerial tree. Otherwise, the tree is not aerial tree, right? So here we can directly delete node 9. Why? Because a node which does not contains any children. So that's why no changes will occur. A tree is generated. For this tree, we are also calculating the balancing factor for each and every node. So what is the formula for balancing factor? Height of left subtree minus height of right subtree. What is height of a node? Number of edges, longest path from leaf node to that node. So that is said to be height of a node, right? So here I am deleting 9. So after deleting 9, tree becomes 15, 12, 20, 8, 13, 18, 54, 5, 9, 14, 17, 21, 61. So here I am deleting node 9 now. So node 9 has been deleted. Fine. This one. So after deleting node 9, whether check the tree is binary search tree or not. So this is binary search tree, obviously, right? So again we are calculating the balancing factor for each and every node, right? So all leaf nodes balancing factor are 0. Why? Because it does not contain any left children as well as right children. For this node, height of left subtree 1 minus 0, 1. So for this 0, height of left 0, minus 1, minus 1. For this 1, 2, 1, 2. So 2 minus 2, 0. For this one, so height of left subtree, longest path is this one, 1, 2. 2 minus 2, 0. For this one, 1 minus 1, 0. Right? For this one, height of left subtree, 1. Right subtree, 0. 1 minus 0, 1. So for this one, 1, 2, 3. Longest path, 1, 2, 3. Longest path. So left minus right, 3 minus 3, 0. So balancing factor is also satisfies by this tree. So that's why this tree is said to be AVL tree. So there is no need to apply rotations on this tree. Why? Because the balancing factor is from 0, 1 or minus 1 for AVL tree. So each and every node contains 0 or 1 or minus 1. So that's why we are need not to apply the rotations on this tree, right? What is the second one? Delete node 8. Node 8. So this node contains node 8. So in this tree I want to delete node 8. In this tree node 8 contains only one children. So in binary search tree deletion, a node which contains one children, in such case child will replace the position of the parent after deleting that node, right? So here I am deleting node 8. So this node is replaced by his children. So that is 5. So 5 replaces the node 8 position, right? Again we are checking the balance factor for each and every node, right? So balancing factor for each and every node is 0, 1, minus 1. Then only we can say that newly generated tree is AVL tree, right? So let us check. So after deleting 8, tree becomes 15, 12, 20. So here I am deleting 8. So child becomes parent. So here 5, 13, 14, 18, 54, 17, 21, 61. So after deletion of this node, left subtree is affected. Balancing factor for right subtree is same, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, right? So here for this leaf node also 0. For this one, this is also leaf node 0. For this one, left subtree 1 minus, 0 minus 1 minus 1. For this one is 0 minus of minus 1. 0, 0, 1. So 1 minus 1, 0. Height of left subtree minus height of right subtree. 1 minus 1, 0. Fine. So for this one, so longest path is from 14. 1, 2, 3. 3 minus right subtree. 1, 2, 3. 3 minus 3, 0. So for each and every node, balancing factor is 0 or minus 1 or 1. So that's why this is also AVL tree. There is no need not to apply the rotations, right? Then what is the next case? Delete node 12. So in this tree, I want to delete node 12, right? So in this tree, a node which contains 2 children. So in this case, that node is replaced by maximum left subtree, maximum left children or minimum right children, right? So here this node is replaced by, what is the maximum left children for this node? 5. What is the minimum right children? 13. Either you have to use 5 or 13, replacing 12, right? So for suppose I want to replace with the help of 5, right? So here tree becomes 15, 12, 20. So here I want to replace 12 with the help of maximum left child. You have to replace minimum right child also. So here I am taking maximum left child, right? So 5, 13, 14. 20 came on 20, 18, 54, 21, 61. So again, to check the balancing factor for each and every node, right? So for leaf nodes, 0. For leaf nodes, 0. So here height of left subtree minus right subtree. 1 minus 1, 0. So here for this one, 1 minus 2, that is minus 1. For this one, 0 minus 1 minus 1. 0 height of left subtree 0, 1 2 minus 2. So height of left subtree for this node 1 2 3. 1 2 3. 3 minus 3 which is equivalent to 0. For this one 0. Right? So here node 5 violating the AVL tree property. So that's why this is critical node. This is critical node. So here for this node right subtree is there. So right children is inserted at right subtree. So that is nothing but RR rotation. So by using RR rotation we can adjust the balancing factor of this critical node. We can adjust the balance factor for this critical node. So in RR rotation simply a node move towards left direction. A node moves towards left direction. Now 3 becomes like this. So here critical node balancing factor can be adjusted with the help of RR rotation. So for that purpose I want to move the node towards left direction. Now 3 becomes 15, 13, 20, 5, 14, 18, 54, 21, 61. Right? So again we are check the balancing factor for this tree. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. 1 minus 2, minus 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 1, 2. 1, 2, 2. Minus 3, minus 1. So here each and every node maintains balancing factor is 0, 1 or minus 1. So that's why this is also AVL tree. Right? So then we are deleting node 15 for this tree. So after deleting node 15, so this node also contains 2 children. So that's why it can be replaced by maximum of left children or minimum of right children. So here what is the maximum of left children? 14. So 14, or you have to use minimum right children. What is the minimum right children for this 15? Minimum. So 18. So 18 will replace the position of 15 or 14 will replace the position of 15. So here I am taking maximum of left children. So 14, now to take any one, right? So 14, 13, 20, 5, 18, 54, 21, 61. Again we are checking the balancing factor for each and every node. So balancing factor property has been satisfied by this tree. There is no need to apply the rotations on that tree, right? So here 0, 0, 0 leaf nodes. 1 minus 1, 0. 1 height of left 1 minus 0, 1. So 1 minus 2 minus 1. So 2 minus 3 minus 1. Right? So here each and every node maintains the balancing factor is 0 or 1 or minus 1. So that's why this is also AVL tree. Right? So in AVL tree deletion operation, once the node has been deleted, each and every node maintains either 0 or 1 or minus 1 balancing factor. In such cases, no need to apply the rotations. Otherwise, we can apply the rotations on AVL tree to adjust the balancing factor of a critical node. Right? As well as this AVL tree deletion operation is similar to binary search tree deletion operation. Why? Because there are 3 possible cases are there. A node which contains 0 children, a node which contains 1 children, a node which contains 2 children. A node which contains 0 children, there are no changes are occurred in AVL tree, right? But we can check the balancing factor for a tree, right? So a node which contains 1 children, in such cases child will replace the position of the parent, right? A node which contains 2 children, in such cases compulsory deleted node is replaced by maximum of left children or minimum of right children, right? So these operations are similar to binary search tree deletion operations, right? So this is about AVL tree deletion operation. right? So if you have any doubts regarding to this session, please post your doubts in comment section. Thank you.